Yeah. I can't see you, Biddy. Okay, what? We should get Daddy and Uncle Kevin to do this against each other.
Tim, drunk. Dusty's the one that gave me the lap dance.
Oh my gosh, Uncle Kevin. Dusty's a gay person that gave Mr. Kim a lap dance. Jada's daddy a lap dance. When he was drunk.
On Lainey's birthday.
Yeah, on JD's sister's birthday. Jada's sister's birthday. It looks way gayer in the video than it does in person. Devin, I can't text you now.